Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. This week tutorial I'll be teaching you on how to print on pen. Yes, how to make customized BIRO, how to print on them. Like some of these BIRO can be used for wedding, you can share it for programs, you can share it for conferences, for sport events, whatever event that you want to share this pen for. I'll show you the step by step on how to make customized pen. And for those of you that are just seeing our video for the first time, my name is Prime Concept Showroom. In this channel, we showcase printing that has to do with customization, anything that has to do with customized jotters, posters, frames, bag, shirt, whatever thing it is that has to do with printing, we showcase it. Every week, we come here to post 1 or 2 tutorials to teach you on how to make some of them. So this week, I'll be teaching you on how to make customized pen, how to print on BIRO. And if you are yet to like our channel, please click on the notification so that when we post more of these our contents, you'll be the first to be notified. Love you.